Yo, it's Nick at Brooklyn Music Factory, and I'm going to help you get set up for your online lessons using Zoom. So I've got your top 6 tips and tricks to get set up for your online lesson. Let's check it out. So the first thing you got to do is set up your camera. So I'm holding my phone right now, but you probably want to set it on something so that it stays. So what I like to do is find a shelf or somewhere a little bit up high so that you can see your hands on the keys or your hands on the guitar. Once you launch Zoom, click Open Zoom app, and you'll be in the waiting room until the teacher lets you join the Zoom call. Once you've joined the call, make sure that you select unmute so that everybody can hear you, and select Start Video. That way your teacher and your band can see you. If you're in a band class and you have a whole bunch of people joining your Zoom call, you might want to click Gallery View. That way you can see everybody in the call at the same time. Have a question for the band or your teacher, but your teacher has muted you. Just click chat right down here and then send everyone a message. In the settings of your Zoom app, you want to make sure that Zoom is not interfering with the audio from your instrument. So go ahead and disable suppress persistent background noise and disable suppress intermittent background noise. Those are your top 6 tips and tricks for getting set up with Zoom. I hope you had a lot of fun, 'cause we'll see you real soon. Those are your top 6 tricks. Check them out, and we'll see you online for your next lesson or class at Brooklyn Music Factory.